Everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to do the subtraction sums in column form. So the question is write in columns and subtract, and the sum is 8356 minus 2439. So it is understood that when the minus sign is already given, it means the number which is before the minus sign is the greater one and the number which is after the minus sign is the smaller one, and the greater number always comes on the top and the smaller at the bottom. And the number which is written on the top in subtraction sum is known as the minuend, and the number which is written at the bottom is known as the subtrahend. Now let us begin with the sum. We have to remember, always keep in mind in fact, that we have to start our subtraction sum from the extreme right side, that is from the ones place. Now, can we subtract 9 from 6? No, it means we have to borrow. So we will borrow from tens place. So it will get decomposed and become 4, and the digit at the ones place was 16. So it was 6. So it will now become 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we cannot subtract 4 from 3. So again we will borrow. So this 8 will get decomposed and become 7, and this 3 at hundreds place will become 13. Now 13 minus 4 is 9, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer which we have got is the difference. So 8356 minus 2439 is 5917. This is how we have to write the sum in column form and then find the answer. Now there is one more question. Find the difference between. Yes, we know that the answer of subtraction is known as the difference. So it is not necessary that always you will be given to subtract in the question. Always the word subtract will be written in the question. In some cases, the word difference may also be written there. At that time also, you have to subtract and write the answer. Now here you have to subtract 21,367 and 76,001. Now here no subtraction sign is there. So we have to identify which number is greater. So for identifying, for comparing, first of all we have to count the number of digits in both the numbers. So here in both the numbers we have 5 digits, means 5 places. So it means when the number of digits are same, number of places are same in both the digits, we have to compare the very first digit which is at the extreme left end. So we read the number from the very first place, that is the extreme left side, and we always start solving the sum from the extreme right side. So out of 3 and 7, 7 is greater. It means 76,001 is greater, and it will be written as the minuend, and 21,367 is smaller. So it will be written as the subtrahend. Now let us just start subtraction. Can we subtract 7 from 1? No. It means we have to borrow. So we will borrow from tens. But tens is having 0. So tens will borrow from hundreds. Again hundreds is having 0. So 100 will borrow from thousands. So thousands will get decomposed. The sixth digit number 6. The number at the minuend place at thousands place is 6. So it will get decomposed in 5. And this hundreds place 0 will become 10. Now tens will borrow from hundreds. So hundreds will get decomposed and tens will become 10. Now when ones will borrow from tens place, so tens place will get decomposed and become 9, and this ones place instead of 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 7 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the difference between 76,001 and 21,367 is 54,634. So I hope you would have understood these two questions and you will be able to solve all the questions which you will get in this form. Thank you.